Hey, Andrew Pardine here. No, I haven't made a video in a while, so I just wanted to kind of show you one way that I actually earn extra income from home, just from my online shopping, whether I'm shopping, my wife, my parents, my kids, anyone that wants to actually shop online can go through and use my cashback sites. And I'm going to show you just another tip that I use to combine the cashback sites with another few percent in cashback. All right, so just to give you a shortcut, instead of going to Google which cashback sites you can use, this is a great site here called Cashbackmonitor.com. Okay, and I'll leave a link below in the description. So basically, if you're shopping at, let's just say, Walmart, you can type in Walmart here. It'll let you know which cashback site offers the most percent back. All right, so Be Frugal currently is 9.8%. Okay, Rakuten is 6%, and another I like to use is Top Cashback, which is currently 7%. Okay, so this is just a little shortcut, so you don't have to go to Google and search which cashback sites offer the most. You have everything all in one right here. And the main three that I actually use, and I'll go through them real quick just so you know, is Be Frugal is one of them. And you can just go to cashback here. Most of these work the same way. Once you place an order, it'll go into pending status. Okay, it'll get verified by the retailer, meaning you're definitely going to get paid for it. And then it'll go into payable status, which at that point you can request a check. You can have it withdrawn into your bank account, into your PayPal account. All right, so this is Be Frugal. Top Cashback is another. Let me make sure I'm signed in. Okay, I'm signed into here. So you can just see, I use this for business mostly since I drop ship on different sites online. So I'm constantly using different retailers. As you can see, I've earned over $26,000 through Top Cashback. And that's through probably 5-6 years. And it's the exact same thing. Let's say you were using this, you wanted to search, let's just search Walmart again. And this works for many retailers: Amazon, Walmart, Best Buy, Overstock.com, Wayfair, Home Depot, Lowe's. Okay, so now you can see this one offers 6%. And simply all you would do is click on that. Now for Walmart, they have different categories, so you would kind of search for the category that you're looking for. If it's patio and garden, looking for furniture, click Get Cash Back, and it'll take you right to the Walmart site where you can go ahead and check out. And it'll automatically record your purchase right in here. Okay. Now, one more site is Rakuten, which I use not as much, but I have incurred around $3,300 here. And this, most of the time, I'll just get as a check. So you can see your next big fat check for $276 will be sent. And this is about 5 days from now. All right. Now I use this for business, obviously, and that's how I'm able to build a nice, pretty solid extra income just from using this. But don't forget, always use these for your personal purchases. There's no point in leaving money on the table. All right. And just one other thing I wanted to throw in here is I do like to combine using credit cards that have rewards. Okay. And there's a couple different ones that I personally use. And the biggest one, which is 5% cash back, is this Amazon Prime card, okay? And for each of these cards I'm showing you, even for the cashback sites, I'll leave links for everything in the description just so you can sign up for them. Obviously, depending on your credit score, if you wanted to grab a card right now and take advantage of that extra 5% here or 2% of the other cards, definitely go ahead and do so. So this one here is obviously 5%. They pay out every month, once a month. So basically, when you use your Amazon Prime card for your Amazon purchases, after a month, whatever that 5% is in total will get added to your Amazon account. Okay, so for example, if you spent, let's just say $100, all right, that $5 is going to get added to your Amazon account where you can use on your next purchase next month. Okay, Obviously, if you spend a lot more, which I do, I normally get about $500 or $600 in, I'll just call it free money, that you can use every single month on your purchases. I have 5 kids, so I'm constantly buying diapers and wipes and toys and this and that. So this definitely comes in handy on buying free things for my family. All right, now 2 other cards that I use is the Spark card. Okay, this is from Capital One. I use this one here, the Spark 2%. They also have one for miles where you can earn. Well, I've never used this one. This should be for flight miles. And then the last one is, and I never searched it. Let's see here. So we got Spark, we got Amazon, and let me just find the. All right, sorry about that. I had to pause the video. So the last one is the City Double Cash rewards card. All right, and now how this one works is every time you make a purchase, you earn 1% back, as you can see here. Then when you pay the card, you earn an additional 1%. So this is just another 2% card. All right, I've used all 3 of these. I've been using these for the last 5-6 years. Built some great extra side income, obviously. And as I mentioned, with the Amazon Prime card, I'm able to get a ton of free stuff from Amazon, such as food, furniture, things for my kids, things for my dog. So it's definitely something to take advantage of. If you like this video, definitely subscribe to it. I'll definitely be posting a lot more content, whether it's ways to earn extra money online, different sources of income, just like this, where it's not technically something you're working for. It's just kind of free money out there. And definitely just hit that like button, tag anyone, share this video. All right, and I'll see you guys on the next video.